What if you could spend less time drowning in a sea of Lego bricks and more time actually running your BrickLink business? If your workflow feels like a combination of chaos, guesswork, and mild emotional damage, trust me, I live that life. My process used to be so bad I should have qualified as a performance artist. But then I discovered the right tools. And today I'm sharing with you the 7 essential tools that took my BrickLink store from help me to oh wow, this is actually working. They saved me time, money, and you can't see it anymore, but a whole lot of hair as well. So let's get into it. So I've been selling Lego for 4 years now, and in the beginning my setup looked like a tornado hit a plastic factory. I spent half my life searching for one stupid plate, miscalculated shipping so badly I basically donated money to the postal service and burned myself out while accomplishing nothing. Then I finally upgraded my workflow, and suddenly my store didn't feel like a punishment anymore. These 7 tools completely transformed my business. Some are cheap, some are investments, but every single one paid for itself in sanity. Whether you're brand new or trying to scale, these tools will make your life so much easier. So let's start with the tool that controls everything, Brickstore. If you're not using it yet, I'm not saying you're doing it wrong, but you're doing it absolutely wrong. Before Brickstore, I used spreadsheets, manual typing, and pure suffering. One typo and suddenly I'm selling 400 incorrectly listed parts to some confused guy in Belgium. Brickstore fixed my whole life. It works offline, loads set inventories instantly, cleans up old part IDs, changes prices effortlessly, and uploads everything into BrickLink in one big beautiful file that makes you feel like a professional adult. It's fast, it's free, it's stable, and once you use it, you look back on your old process like, whoa, I survived that? Let me tell you a story. There was a time, a dark time, when I used my kitchen scale to weigh packages. I would put a bubble mailer on it and watch the number flicker like a dying strobe light and think, yeah, that's probably close enough. It was not close enough. I either overpaid the postage or underpaid and got slapped with fees that make me question my life choices. A high precision scale solves all of this instantly. With a good one, your packages weigh exactly what you think they weigh, and not what your kitchen thinks they weigh after you've spilled sugar around 3 times on it. If you really want to level up, then get that 0.01 gram scale, because Lego elements can be stupidly tiny. A single 1x1 tile is around 0.36 gram, and yes, that matters when you're shipping hundreds of them. And don't forget, a precision scale also functions as a piece counting wizard. Put 10 pieces on it so it learns the average weight, and then dump 300 more in it and the scale will exactly tell you how many pieces you added. It's like having a tiny accountant living in the scale who only cares about the ABS plastic. Once you start weighing parts instead of counting them by hand, your productivity skyrockets. It's not glamorous, you won't impress your friends, but your wallet will thank you. So let's talk about the pile of shame. Every BrickLink seller has one. That mountain of unsorted Lego that grows faster than you are willing to deal with it. The cure to this disease is proper storage. Drawer cabinets for the small stuff, stackable bins for the big stuff, labels on everything, including your soul. Good storage isn't cheap, but trust me, the moment you stop digging through random bins for one tiny piece, you'll feel like you've unlocked Ultra Instinct. This is the foundation of your entire operation. Without it, you're basically speedrunning insanity. Hold on, quick break. So if you're getting value from this and you want more BrickLink tips and some occasional therapy, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Alright, back to the good stuff. If you are still handwriting shipping labels, I need you to take a deep breath. It's okay, you're safe now. We're gonna fix this. A thermal printer is pure magic. It prints crisp, clean labels instantly, uses zero ink, and makes your packages look like they came from someone who knows what he's actually doing. It also prints storage labels, which means your drawer will look so clean you want to show it off at parties. Going from paper and tape to thermal printing is like going from a bicycle to a Porsche. Once you try it, you're never going back. If you ever sorted Lego under bad lighting, you know the pain. You hold up a part up and think, is this tan? Dark tan? Or is my soul just tired? Low quality lighting makes everything look like it's been dipped in sadness. High CRI lights fix that by making colors look like actual colors instead of mystery brownish thing. CRI stands for Color Rendering Index, which sounds fancy but basically means how much does this light make the world not look terrible. You'll want to have 90 plus CRI. You don't need a Hollywood setup. You can get a great lamp for 10 to 20 euros that instantly makes your accuracy jump by 50%. And suddenly, light gray and light bluish gray become two different colors again. Brown doesn't look like dark tan is having an existential crisis. Metallic silver stops pretending to be pearl dark gray. And your eyes no longer feel like they're being punished for your life decisions. High CRI lighting is the cheapest upgrade with the biggest impact. It turns your sorting area from cryptic dungeon into precision workspace. So, here's the truth. No matter how long you've been selling Lego, you will never know every part. Some of them look like alien technology or pieces of IKEA furniture. Brickstore's part recognition tool fixes that instantly. Hold a part up to your webcam and it goes, oh, you mean part 62361C01? Is that the one from the 2018 Ninjago set you forgot existed? It works shockingly well. Studs, slopes, weird technique contraptions, parts you find in bulk lots that makes you question Lego sanity, it identifies nearly all of them. And for the few it doesn't recognize, well, at least you're already sitting at your computer ready to search. So a simple 1080p webcam is more than enough for this. You don't need 4K unless you want Brickstore to count the scratches on your fingerprints. This tool is a massive time saver when dealing with bulk Lego. Instead of manually scrolling the BrickLink catalog while slowly losing your grip on reality, you can ID a part in exactly 2 seconds flat. If you process lots of random parts, this is like giving your brain a small holiday. Let me put it this way. If you sell both on BrickLink and BrickOwl without using Brick Freedom, you're basically juggling chainsaws, blindfolded, in the dark, while wearing oven mitts. Because here's what happens. You get a BrickLink order, you forget to update BrickOwl. Someone buys the same part there. Now you're sending cancellation messages like, sorry, funny story, remember that order you put in? Well, about that. Brick Freedom instantly stops this nightmare. It automatically syncs your inventories between both stores faster than you can say, I regret everything. But it doesn't stop there. You also get one combined picking list so you don't run laps around your storage system like an anxious meerkat. You also get an automatic order syncing so your stores behave like a single, well-trained organism. What you also get is pricing automation so your stores adjust to the market without you refreshing 200 tabs on a daily basis. Smooth, clean analytics so you can see what's actually selling instead of guessing based on your feelings. Yeah, I know, they take a 1% fee, but honestly, it saves you so much time you basically forget the fee even exists. This tool paid for itself almost immediately in fewer mistakes, faster workflow, and not accidentally ruining someone's day with a cancelled order. Brick Freedom is the moment your store stops feeling like a hobby and starts running like a business. So, there you have it. These are the 7 tools that took my BrickLink store from chaos to competence. Brickstore and Brick Freedom handle the brain work, the scale, the lighting, the storage and the thermal printer to keep everything clean, accurate and fast. And the webcam? That's just free superpowers. Upgrading your workflow isn't an expense. It's an investment in your time, your sanity, and your profits. You don't need everything today, but every tool you add makes your business run smoother. Now, I want to hear from you. Just tell me in the comments what's the one tool you can't live without in your BrickLink store. And I read every comment and I answer to everyone as well. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more LEGO reselling news. Thanks all for watching and I will see you in the next video.